If you're looking for reliability, this 2012 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive truck will be the right one for you. When you get behind the wheel, you'll know it's time to get some work done. It comes with everything you need, like 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth, and the dual-zone climate control. Plus, you'll get the heated side mirrors and the front tow hooks. Come in and test drive it today.
At Rochester Toyota Scion, we're all about service and selection. We are conveniently located between 40th Street and 48th Street Southeast on Highway 63 South in Rochester.